If you are quiet as far as your online is concerned, you will not only be undermarketed, but you are underutilized. And when you're underutilized, you're always underpaid. As simple as that. You see, so one thing I want to achieve in this day one of this morning school, where we're talking about monetizing your presence, is I want to challenge everybody who is a member of this community to consistently challenge yourself, push yourself to learn how to show up online boldly and professionally in your industry. In your industry. It's very important. It's very important. Because if you're quiet in this economy that is driven by attention, you will be undermarketed, you will be underutilized, and you'll be underpaid. And then you wonder, why can't I produce more results like people in my age group? Why can't I take advantage of this blessed generation? Because this generation, even though it has so many of its own problems, like every generation, it is more blessed now. Like I always say, it is much easier now to be a millionaire than it used to be 50 years ago, 100 years ago in any country. If you just know what to do and begin to pay the price and go through the process, right? And it's very important to understand that. So, what I'm also saying today is that if you are in this morning school right now and you are serious about building something that will live beyond you, silence is not an option. Okay? You need to understand how to begin to merge attention as a critical asset to what you are doing.